Now, bro, okay, listen to this video carefully. I want to show you how to find progression, okay, on any song. Now, one of the ways you're going to find progression on any song is one, by knowing your keys, okay? Know your keys, know the key of that particular song very well, okay? Then secondly, make sure you know the notes of the song, okay? Like if you're playing I have known all that God but you. Okay. I have known all that God but you. I believe you know the song. You have done what no man can do. You will do what no man can do. I believe you know the song. Okay, so the song there, if let's say we are playing on the key of F. This is the key of F. Okay. On the second string, that is the key of F. Okay. That is the key of F. Okay. That is the key of F. So if you would play that kind of a song, you play. So the song there is I have known mi va so mi so va. Okay, mi so va. Now you're going to a va chord. Mo no do. Okay. That now you are going to your saw chord, okay? Or like this. Okay, any of them. Okay, so or you play this shape. The full bar chord. Okay, so that is one of the simplest way you can start knowing how to find progression in the song. But at first, make sure that your guitar is on the standard tuning, okay? And secondly, make sure you know the key of the song, sorry, the notes of the song, okay? And if it's a song you want to score, try and know the keys of the song at first. When you know the key of the song, you know how to progress the song, okay?